To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Swipe up to scroll down, and navigate to the How Others Can Interact With You section. Then select Comments. Under the Types of Comments section, go to Hide Unwanted Comments. By default, it is set to None, meaning you may see unwanted comments. If you select Some, Instagram will hide comments they consider offensive or spam. And if you select More, Instagram will hide an even larger number of comments based on their criteria. Now choose the option that best fits your preference. This feature helps keep your comments section clean, by automatically filtering offensive or spammy remarks. And that's how you can easily hide unwanted comments on Instagram.